In the last video, I showed how to use replace entity. However, one current limitation is that it is a one-to-one ratio, meaning that if you have a contour with one line and you wanted to replace it with a multi-segmented line, then you are out of luck and most likely your subsequent features will fail. You can of course use fit spline tools, spline tools, fit spline, but that will likely change the geometry of the sketch. I have found that the best workaround is to use split entities. When in sketch mode, go to Tools, Sketch Tools and Split Entities. Use this to ensure that the number of segments matches the two sketch lines, and use replace entities on each of them. This will reduce the number of errors on your following features.